Alright, so we got something going on. This one's a little thinner than this one, but anyways. So this video, like I was stating, girl, this is another episode of Playing in Makeup with Tamia, because girl, I'm be going nowhere. That's why I was like, I'm just gonna do it in my robe today, because like I'm not gonna go anywhere. Actually, yes I am. Yes, I changed that. I apologize. I am going somewhere today. My throat is so dry. I'm actually going to church tonight because today is Wednesday. Hump day. I'm just gonna call it Playing in Makeup with Me. If you learned something, I'm so happy that you learned something. If you don't, then it's okay too. But I'm just gonna try to get a little better at makeup. And I need videos like I need to upload. So I need some views and some subscribers, I was like, you never know what video is gonna be that video. So I was like, let me go on and do this. Playing in Makeup with Tamia. Now I know I don't want to do like a, what is it called? Smoky eye, like the dark smoky eye. I don't want to do that. I want to do something with color today. So I'm thinking like a red or something. Let me try to use a brush to bring. So these are the palettes that I have. 23 perfect matte colors. This is what I'm going to start with, the matte colors. And I watched some videos on applying it too. So y'all know I think I know what I'm doing, right? I don't know what I'm doing, but I think I know. So the girl was like, get a brush. So this is the roundest one, so I'm gonna get this one. Those are like shimmering. So she was like, girl, you want to start with the lighter color to build up, right? So should I do a purple, or I think I'm gonna try to do a purple on one eye and do a red on one eye. So start with this lighter shade, she said. Then she was like, once you got that, she was like, use a round brush because you can get in there more. You want to just, and she was like, just build it. You don't want to be stiff with your hands, because I was stiff with my hands. This is what she called the trend. Look how it's showing up already. Like, she called this the transition color. See, I feel like I need a little more. I'll fix that later, but one day, y'all, I'm gonna be, somebody's gonna be trying to mock my videos one day. But for now, y'all can just a hee a ha ha at what I'm trying to do. But that's my friend. This eye, my friend. It already looks mom. So if I was to walk out like this, that's still cute. It's really not cute, but still. So then what she did next, she was like, look on it. She was like, pat the color on there like this. And you see, I'm not going all the way out with it. I'm just. She did like a do and don't video. I'll list it below. It was like eyeshadows, do's and don'ts. So should I pack some more on there? Just blend everything out. Okay, I like that. I do. I have to clean it up, but I like it. I think it's cute. Should I do one eye this color, one eye another color? Or now I'll do this the other color. So now I'm using, what color is darker? I'm gonna build it to that darker color there, which is like a reddish. It's pretty. So this time I'm gonna try to stay in the crease. Alright, do y'all see how this foundation is working? Like, wait till it dry. Like, I don't have on nothing else but eyeshadow and foundation. And what I'm gonna have to start doing is putting petroleum jelly on my skin before I do my makeup. Because I usually just use like lotion. Any type of lotion. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna be like. But I feel like this is applying differently. Yeah, I'm still using these lashes that I got from Target. I literally, only this pair, it broke. I literally just use them and then clean them and put them right back in there. Cause, child. Of course, I done got some more hair glue right in the eyeshadow, so I had to fix that. But girl, tell me these looks not coming together, like. And I do apologize. I seen my, like, I told y'all when this video started that I was not gonna talk through the whole video. But, and these lashes, girl, tell me these Target lashes not coming through. Girl, I'm gonna have to put some mascara on it so y'all can see. But tell me it's not coming together. Girl, I have to send this to Charity because she's gonna be so proud of me. Something like that. But baby girl, this look is coming together and you ain't gonna tell me it's not. I should definitely be asleep. But I just like looking cute. I just like looking glamorous. So this, like, the whole row, girl. Give me an Oscar because I deserve it. I deserve it at this point. I deserve it at this point, girl. And I'm gonna put all this in here too. Probably. Girl. Why ain't nobody tell me to put some Vaseline on before I did my makeup? Why nobody told me that? It looks so nice and like I don't have any, I don't have any wrinkles anyway, but girl, yeah. Listen, when I say that I am proud of myself, like, girl, you did good, because this looks good. I never did, like, colors that pop like this, but this eye, I'm gonna have to call my mama. I'm gonna have to FaceTime my mama. That's the only thing I can do. I just FaceTime her and let her see this. Because she gonna be like, girl. Yeah, it does not look that bad. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Not even gonna lie, I'm getting a little better. Because this eye right here, girl, we're going to an award show. We're going to an award show. Because this is fine. This is cute. Like, calm down. I'm not finna go to sleep. I'm finna take some selfies. I need to go to sleep, though. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like it. Watch some more of my videos. Let me know what you think. Do you like eye number 1 or eye number 2? Let me know. Let me know. Here go another look, y'all, so y'all can really see what we working with. I know it's not the best, but I know it's not the worst. I think it looks amazing. Like, let me know 1 or 2.